are going to be out, and they're actually going to be repairing the earthworks every day. These shells will knock the earthworks down, put holes in it, just dislodge the dirt. And so every day, every morning, these guys have to get up and actually start repairing the fort, put it back the way it was the night before, so that it can get blown apart again that night. And it's a complete cycle. Now over to the left, that's the left lunette, and that was a 4-gun battery. And there's a large pit there that's dug, and they were preparing to bring in a 32-pound siege gun from Mobile, but it never made it before the battle. Now, what's interesting, over in that left lunette, where that you have a gun port here that's covered over, and then where that first gun is over on the kind of the left, back about 20 years ago, maybe 30 years ago, we were repairing the earthworks, and one of the park personnel found a 10-pound, what's called a Hotchkiss shell, that was fired from the 2nd Connecticut battery. And these earthworks are about 12 feet wide thickness. That Hotchkiss shell was found 11 feet deep. It wasn't very deep down, but it came 11 feet through 11 feet of soil, and was within 1 foot of coming through and into the fort. And that was fired by a 3-inch ordnance rifle, just like the one we saw fire. That was located across the way is the 2nd, I believe it was the 2nd Connecticut battery. And we also have found some 12-pound cannonballs, which were fired by what's called the 12-pound Napoleon. They just the round balls. And we actually have those on display up at the Wheatley Center. So after this, I encourage you to go up to the Wheatley Center and see Paul's talk at 11:30, I believe it is. And then look at the artifacts up there, because all the artifacts there were found on this battlefield.